Shenseea shelled down Miami last night. Also, Spice and our Rasta man is out in Mexico.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So from yesterday, Mrs. Spicer post on her story and she had traveled. Never sure exactly where she had go until she land and she post and says she there Mexico. But people, this don't look like no sure thing from a seat, you know what I mean? Could I tell say she had go on a personal vacation. Now me know say she there travel with somebody, but me never did pay too much attention to it. But she and our Rasta man a travel. I wanna know the story go. I wanna know say she post a picture where she and the Rasta man that kiss and the internet went into a frenzy. But now this morning she posts back some picture of him and her and she had a caption. But before me get to that, let's show a little bit of the Mexico activity when them just land yesterday. Here goes.
Another safe landing in Mexico. Butler at watch Butler over here, so watch ya. Johnny be good tonight.
It's a crazy, huh, isn't it? So this one layer right here is the center of the property. It's called Hacienda Building.
Hacienda?
Building? Yeah.
So now these are the photographs for Spice post this morning, right? She posts a few of them and you can see me now have to explain nothing to you because it's up on the screen. You see me? But people, is a happy couple, happy wife, happy husband. You see me? I say, big them up. You see me? So all of the team Spice, the Spice people, them want to see what going on with the artists. See me? I say, love is in the ear. I wonder if wouldn't round the corner too. Anyway, I joke me I make about that, but my love to see the smiles, Spice look happy and the Rasta man look happy as well. But this is what she said in the caption. So she said, help me wish my nice, clean man happy birthday at J-Bud Media. Today belongs to you, baby. I'm glad we started this journey because you easily bring out the better version of me. Thank you for being such a great father figure to my kids and a awesome lover to me. Watch love over Yasso. Me a skin out all weekend by hashtag Rasta Love. So we learn say at the Rasta man birthday, so I send him some birthday greetings in the comments section, right? So I hope say them enjoy themselves out in Mexico. Sound like a very nice place. It look peaceful and calm, you know what I mean? So I hope they have a weekend and you hear the type of song them where Spice sing in the video about Johnny be good tonight, and then she say in the caption say she has skin out whole weekend. I don't know how the queen do her thing already, you know how she talks. So big her up one more time and so me I say and big up J-Bud Media. I know me I call him Rastaman, but because she call him so also. You know what I mean? So like me say, get in the comment section, wish him some happy birthday, send him some greetings, tell me what you feel about the queen and her new king. Alright? So next story now, let's move on to Shenseea. So last night, Shenseea was in Miami and it looked like it was a bigger show than our Orlando show. It looked like it was an outside venue versus the Orlando show, which was an inside venue. So I'm going to show them clip there. But people, can you believe that Shenseea still get birthday gift? Or maybe at this point it's just gifts in general. But she did get some gifts over the weekend. I'm not sure which point she get them. If she get them at Miami or Orlando or where she get them. Or she get them a combination of both. But let's take a look at some of Shenseea gifts them shown on the show. Here goes.
Oh, forgot I had more stuff. Y'all stay giving me gifts. Y'all must love me. Ooh, shouting out my Shennings businesses. Thank you, Miss Bodacious. She gave me a flat iron too. That's cool. Thank you. This is funny because she said, sorry, I write like crab. That's funny. And of course, the famous star with her sweet cookie wash products. Thank you, baby. I'm so proud of you. Continue grinding.
But come to think of it, Shenseea did tell them, say, them can advertise them business through her. Like when she give them gift, you know, she can shout them out and so. So maybe this are gonna be a thing for, you know what I mean, a long-term thing. Maybe she are gonna keep getting gifts over and over because people want a shout out there. And you know what I mean? It's a good trade-off. Like just give her a little product sampler, a one product or whatever, and she give a shout out feet and a more business fee. So that's a good trade-off. But now people, let's take a look at some of the highlights from last night Miami show. So here goes.
What's up now? Sure. When you want the follow the Shenseea. You know, that's what the Rasta man tonight. Jump it.
Oh, it look like I rust them around the place. And you see why I go on, people. So the show was definitely a success in terms of turnout, right? And Shenseea looked like she gave them a good show. And big up to Taras Riley too for make an appearance, right? So people, I have one more little thing for showing before my cut. So Tuesday coming up is going to be Shensea's son's birthday, Raj, right? And him already know when he want for him birthday. So I'm going to make him talk for himself. So listen what Raj want for him birthday.
Raj, what you say you want for your birthday?
Bugatti.
What?
Bugatti.
Tell them mother.
Yeah, people no hear that. The man say want a Bugatti. I wonder if I even pronounce it properly. I don't know. But big up Raj to me. I said Tuesday and birthday, we definitely go check in and see him gift them. Because I know him I get gift. You know what I mean? I did a video about him last year. So Tuesday we are going to do a video about Raj's birthday. Right? So people, that's the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now everybody stay safe out there. Big up on yourself. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend and a wonderful week. All right, so big up on yourself. All right, later.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.